shit. Hi folks, this is Aditya again from fastprice.com and you just saw the rich people's toy getting unboxed. Yes, the iPhone XS. It's not even surprising that iPhone XS looks a lot like last year's flagship iPhone X. Still, it has some differences that we should check out. But before we start, why don't you hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon as well, so that you get notified about our upcoming iPhone XS review and many more interesting videos. Now, let's get started. So here is our guy. It has the same form factor as the iPhone X, the same dual camera setup and the same notch. But Apple has worked hard to make sure it looks and feels slightly different. As you can see, Apple has changed the speaker grill, which is now asymmetrical on the iPhone XS. This is to boost up the cellular reception on the smartphone. Also, the camera bump is slightly thicker than the iPhone X. So you can see iPhone XS can't balance itself on flat surfaces, which is kind of annoying. It also happened in the case of iPhone X, but now it's kind of much worse. And if you invested in a good iPhone X case last year, you'll have to buy a new one for the iPhone XS, as the old one won't fit in properly. Now when you hold the phone in your hand, it gives you the feeling of holding an iPhone X, obviously, but it really feels like a premium device. And why not? You spent like a lakh rupee on a smartphone. However, the sense of a premium device didn't last very long. iPhone XS quickly heated up during the first boot itself. I mean, you can blame the glass back for that, but still, you don't expect such things in the first go. Speaking of the glass back, iPhone XS also supports wireless charging. But forget a wireless charger. The company doesn't even want to ship a fast charger in the box. Seriously, Apple? I mean, Apple is behaving like those fancy hotels where you book expensive rooms and still end up paying extra money for the food that you gobbled up from the mini fridge. Anyway, I think many people would prefer XS Max because of its screen size, and that's absolutely fine. But that bigger iPhone isn't that easy to use. Also, the fact that Apple has improved on the screen to body ratio on newer iPhones makes even iPhone XS a choice worth considering. Because all you get on the front side is a fairly big screen with almost negligible bezels. A big highlight of XS's appearance is the Gold Edition, which is very different than the Gold Editions released in the past. Because of the stainless steel frame, the Gold XS model looks more gold than the gold of the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 8. You can get the black and white color options as well. But if you want more, then iPhone XR is probably a cup of tea. An improvement that can give you a sense of satisfaction is that the iPhone XS is IP68 rated. Means it can survive for up to 30 minutes at 2 meters of depth. So you can take your expensive toy to your bathroom more often. iPhone XS is fast. And it's because of the new A12 Bionic and its beefed up neural engine, which is among the few features that set X and XS apart. During the keynote, Apple revealed the numbers and flaunted how fast is iPhone XS over X. So in our upcoming review, we'll try and see if what Apple says is actually true. And is iPhone XS that fast that you should actually throw your iPhone X right away? The extra juice gives iPhone XS better augmented reality capabilities and advanced camera features, like the Smart HDR, improved bokeh effect and variable depth control where you can change the background blur after you have taken a photo. With a camera capable of churning out 4K 60fps, you need that extra storage to hold those gigantic video files. Ours is a 64GB variant, but if you want, you can always pay more and get up to 512GB of storage out of the box. Speaking of the camera, iPhone XS now comes with a better Face ID hardware. It lets you unlock your device faster and talk like this cute little poop emoji, like I am doing right now. Face ID has now become a standard across all of Apple's latest iPhones. So yes, it's clear that Touch ID has no future on the iPhone and possibly the iPads of future as well. So folks, this was my initial experience of the iPhone XS, and I know there are a lot of questions that still need an answer, like is iPhone XS a worthy upgrade? So please drop your thoughts in the comment section. We'll try to explore more of iPhone XS in our upcoming review, so do subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss that. And until the next time, take care.